This is our fifth day of stay here in Lake District, and we're just walking along the shore like a boulevard here. Time check, it's 9:45 in the morning. There is still a few people walking, but later loads of people will be coming in to ride on a boat and ride on a cruise ship. We are in the southern part of the lake, and that is going north in Ambul side. Then just here in the southern part of the lake in Bonis. Actually, it's a midway because this is a long lake, longest in England. That's it. We had a walk, and this is how far we go. That's the lake view. We went from there towards this. It's like a cafe, and it's made of driftwood. Look at that. The name of this food shop is Driftwood. And look at the flowers there. That's live flowers. Look, it's so beautiful. Look. They call this Driftwood. That's the name. There. You can order here fish and chips, and they have some ice cream too. Oh, the family is already far from me. They're there. I'll catch up with them. I'm here just in front of this quayside bar and kitchen. Look at the hanging live plants there. Beautiful. There are families going on that shop straight ahead. And this is the marina. Loads of sailboats and speedboats are docking over there. Look at that speedboat there. Nightingale. There. The family is inside that shop. Inside this gift shop there. This is the gift shop. See you later. Bye bye.